you back in December. I was feeling under the weather. You tried to make it all better, but now all we do is play telephone and never home anymore.
Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 23. It's Sunday. I'm gonna ice roll my face because I do that every morning and it makes me feel like $1,000,000 bucks. This is literally the best part of the morning. Feels so good. I wanted to try out this little sample from Paula's Choice. It's their C5 Super Boost Moisturizer because I did a really nice skincare routine last night and I just iced my face and I figured might as well try this out this morning. I also have my AirPods in because I want to call my mom and I also want to get coffee. I just don't know where. This feels really nice. It doesn't have too much of a scent. Maybe it's like not fragranced, but I also feel like I'm getting orange scent, but I think that might be in my head because the packaging is orange and I think it's vitamin C. This feels really nice though. So we'll see how my skin likes it throughout the day. See if she answers. It's my outfit. Brandy Melville, Lululemon, Amazon, Jake the Shooter. Earrings are Forever 21. She didn't answer. What the hell? Oh, she's on a call. That's good. She'll call me after. Coffee, guys. I can't stay away. I was gonna get Starbucks, but I just like can't. Be my last one. I'm gonna get a medium, even though the small tastes better.
Hello, coffee.
Hi, can I please get a medium iced vanilla latte with oat milk?
Iced vanilla latte with oat, right?
Yes, please.
Anything else for you?
No, thank you. It's for Kayla.
I'll see you soon, Carolyn.
Thank you so much. See you soon, bro. See you soon, broski.
They're munching your cookies as we speak.
Yeah, seriously. Say good morning, happy Sunday!
Good morning, happy Sunday!
We need Grand Desic in here, it's dark.
Oh.
It's Vlogmas Day 23, lucky number 23!
Technically means 2 days from Christmas.
Yo, so you'll be watching this when you're home and you miss me and you're gonna see my Vlogmas. I told everyone where my outfit's from. I said, Jake the Shooter! Pew, 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 pew.
But you can't buy those hats right now.
Unreleased. I wanted one with pink text. Remember?
Yeah.
Remember? Jeez
Yeah.
Louise. So I was going to get a coffee and I was gonna go to Starbucks because it's easy for me to drive to Starbucks. Sometimes when I go to Coffee Fix, I get anxiety because the parking sitch. And then Jake goes, can you come here? Can you come here? Can you come here? I'm like, 1 second, just getting my stuff together. And then he goes, I really think I should bring you. And then I was like, well, if you're gonna bring me, I got the card and I got the driver. Tell everyone my dream car.
The driver.
Woo! Already got it. Woo! Alright, see you when I get my coffee. We'll be on the Jake cam. Woo! Pew pew. Looks pretty good today. Show my name. Cool. Where's my straw? Iced vanilla latte with oat milk. Got a medium today. Deserved it. This medium is pretty good. Yummy. Let's go. Hey y'all, checking in quick. I've just been working all morning actually. It's felt pretty good. Sipping on my coffee. FaceTime my mom. She's the best. Love you, mom. Gonna get back into more work. Think I'm gonna put this coffee in the fridge. Feeling good, feeling productive, getting a lot done. I just shut my computer and put on the charger because I need a break because I've been staring at it all morning. I'm kind of hungry and freezing and thirsty. I'm gonna see if Jake's hungry, if he wants me to make him anything. And maybe I'll make something for myself too. I'm like craving a bagel. I don't really know where I already have a good one here. Jake says he wants a bagel with peanut butter. Good morning!
Hi.
Kid, this time we put the peanut butter back now? With the lid off?
It's on. Relax.
Kid, it's off. These bagels, like, I won't eat for the life of me because they're like, you know, from the store. I honestly feel like they're pretty good. So it doesn't help what I'm gonna have. I have no idea. I don't want an English muffin. I don't want that kind of bagel. I don't want a piece of toast. What do I want? I'm so indecisive. Could go for like a Starbucks cinnamon raisin bagel, but I'm gonna be home and the bagels at home are really good. So I should just wait to have a good bagel at home. I don't know how things get so dirty so quickly around here. I just feel like I clean every day and then I see dirt and grime and dust. What's that about? I decided I think I'm gonna make oatmeal. I really want a bagel, but I'd rather have a bagel from my bagel place at home. Wait for a good one. So I'm gonna make my apple cinnamon oats. I made it in a different vlog, so you guys could look back and see if you want to know how I make it. Sounds like warm and cozy and like carby, and that's what I'm craving. I'm gonna do some chia seeds, even though this mix has chia seeds in it, and I think it has flaxseed in it too, but a little more can't hurt. Get some cinnamon out. Mom, we were just talking about the cinnamon sugar. This is what the cinnamon sugar looks like. Jake said very light layer of peanut butter. Follow his wishes. Okay, that's for him. Yeah. So cinnamon, raw apples, brown sugar, maple syrup, and some honey. 3 different sweeteners. If you know, you know. This thing is like so cute, but like, can we speed it up? Cool. And last, not least, some organic almond milk, and that looks absolutely delicious. Yummy, his and hers. Jakey!
Are you filming me? Hey!
You of all people should know.
You're not supposed to film me without my permission. You have to cut all that out.
Light peanut butter, is it light enough?
Mm-hmm.
Want to bite of my apple cinnamon homemade oatmeal, featuring 3 different sweeteners. Yum. What, too many dishes? Don't touch me with your peanut butter hands. Ooh, I fall apart. Jake said he's gonna do my dishes. Yeah, I heard you.
No, I never said that.
Well, wouldn't it be nice since I made you breakfast for you to like maybe just scrub it up dub?
Not all those.
It's 1 pot.
No, that's disgusting.
And your peanut butter knife is in there.
Stop filming me!
I'm so full. Came outside. It's kind of gray-ish out, but it's actually pretty warm. I'm surprised. I am freezing, but it's definitely warmer out here. Oh, I left my beauty sponges out here to dry overnight. Whoopsie. I think I need to get new ones. Maybe at Target with my mom. I'm so excited. When I go home, me and my mom's first stop is Target. A mother-daughter Target trip for all the stuff, and I'm literally elated. I can't wait. Jake just turned on the hot tub. I think we're gonna do a little afternoon hot tub sesh. I think it's only noon, so early afternoon. I kind of want to, I do this thing you guys have seen in the vlogs where I walk in circles out here. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to look at my phone, finish making my list, see what else I really need to pack. That's kind of what's up for now, but look at how appetizing this hot tub looks. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to be in there. Oh my god, I'm like, what is in the pool? Jake's brother threw his shoes in the pool last night. These boys. POV, you live with boys. You guys saw this the other day, but this is how I pack my makeup. I keep it in this all the time, but this is how I'll travel with it. And then I just put my jewelry in here. It's like a little jewelry case from Amazon. I just put my stuff in here to bring that. And then also I keep my makeup brushes in here, but this is the top. I just put a paper towel over it so it doesn't get this thing kind of dirty. And I was thinking I should just pack my makeup now, but I think I'm just gonna leave it out in case I want to do like lip liner or a light little look tomorrow or Tuesday. So I don't need to pack this just yet, but it is all ready to go. I just threw my hair into the big high pony. I think this is good. So let's go. Unfortunately, I can't go anywhere without my computer, but this is pretty much heated up. Ooh, it feels insane. It feels so good. Oh my god, this is amazing. Amazon Fresh Lime. Thank you. For you. We are out of the hot tub, and before I forget this moment in time, there's 8 nights till Christmas, which literally seems so close, which is insane. I just changed back into my clothes. I have my computer over here on the couch. Oh, my drink's outside. Yeah, my shoes are in the room because I want to edit yesterday's vlog, and then once that's done, I'll probably start editing today's vlog. Shoes, shoes, shoes. I want slippers. Like, I want little slippers that I could just put on. Like the winter version of slides, you know? There's an intruder. There's someone in a cocoon. Cocoon. Got my drink. Let's go edit. This is Jake and Jared's order from Mendocino. Here we go, kid. Enough from you. And I get a bite of Jake's food. Because sharing is caring. Woo! You don't like the chicken parm?
I like it. I don't love it. Love the nuts.
But you like the shared version?
Like the shared version.
This is my food,
I'm
miss.
getting you the sauces.
This is my food, miss.
I'm getting you the sauces. This was an interesting sauce. I've never seen this one before.
Yeah, I'm not using that. So
They didn't give us the...
Leave that over there, I said.
They didn't give us the best one, which is the one that goes on the chicken parm. It's like the spicy one.
The pomona sauce.
No, there's another one. It's like a bright orange. Well, I'll take a bite of this one while you take a bite of your other one. And I'll eat your basil leaf since I know you don't like it.
Bussin'?
Tastes way better with the sauce.
Really?
What is this, like an aioli? Tastes like fast food barbecue. Have a bite of this one before you finish it. Why are you getting so mad? Literally, he goes, you can have as many bites as you want because I can't eat a lot.
Yeah, my food just getting mutilated in front of me.
That bite was a really good one. I just heated up my leftovers from yesterday, so I'm gonna eat this because I'm starving, and then I will get back to editing. I just made some tea. My favorite lately has been peppermint. This is an amazing one from Trader Joe's. It's like $3. It tastes so good. Turn that up. What's it at?
Eat?
That's good. Doesn't it go to like 50?
Yep.
More the upper back. Me and Jake are gonna go to the Grove because we've been wanting to during Christmas. And we have 2 days left. And I feel like I'd rather go today than tomorrow. I need to get slippers because this is the occasion where I just put on my little UGG slide slippers. But I don't want the platform because it makes me like 800 feet tall. But I like the look of the platform. So maybe we'll look at those at Nordstrom because they have that at the Grove. But I'm so excited. I just looked up like TikToks there and it looks so cute and Christmassy and festive. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It literally just like brings life back into my face. I kind of look freaky because I'm no makeup at all. Also weirdly, all of a sudden my freckles are popping out. But I'm gonna add a little bit of lip stain. I might do some Laneige just because my lips are dry and we're gonna be outside. But I will flip back when we're in the car. My outfit, same as earlier. I just added, these are actually Jake's socks and I kind of just scrunched them. And then my little Nike shoes with the silver swooshes, Lululemon Aligns, nothing beats these. This is actually a Brandy Melville Malibu crew neck. It has pockets I'm obsessed with. I got this like years ago when I first came to LA. And Jake's hat, Forever 21 earrings. Let's go. Tell everyone where we're going.
To the Grove.
West Hollywood. See the Christmas lights. Shop for some slippers. Maybe more lip liner. Jake's gonna get some food. Maybe we'll get pressed juicery. See all the lights. Woo! Jake just got the best slice of pizza ever. Maybe we're just hungry.
You said you're not hungry. Ow.
No, I'm not. But it makes you hungry because it's so delicious. Another bite, another bite.
Alright.
No,
Do you remember when we were over there and I said, do you want anything? And you're like, no, I'm not even having a bite. And I said, I might get two. And you're like, no.
Dude, it's delicious.
Now I have it. Now all you do is want it.
You guys would have seen my cool reel that I just did. It was inserted probably before this. Jake was making fun of me. We had the best pizza ever. Delicious. Cheese, little slice. We're home. We're just in the car and Jake's like, what are you thinking about? And I'm like, milk and cookies and how much I miss my family. If I'm being honest. The only things I could fix right now are the milk and cookie part. So I'm gonna make us some fresh chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna watch a movie. I just emailed my mom. It makes me realize how much I miss her and everyone else, but we're gonna make some cookies to feel better. I'm doing bigger ones this time because I always do like mini ones, but I think we deserve like chunk-a-bunks. Hey guys. Pretty cool. Don't knock it till you try it. The tub really is the best. Tell everyone what we're gonna do. Watch a movie. Do you know the name of it?
I don't. I think it's on Apple TV. 6 Big Chunkas?
Wanna know something similar about you and me?
What?
Sometimes I would prefer the cookie dough without the chocolate chips.
Me too.
I know. Like a sugar cookie, but not.
Couldn't
I need
see
some
it.
ice cold water. What's the kind of
You should get a like a fisheye attachment that clips on the front. It'll make it wider.
Cool.
Everybody, yeah, everybody, yeah.
Got my director behind me. Shove her in the hats. All right, see you when the cookies are made. Yum. These look insane. Whoa. This is the movie we're gonna watch. What do you think? They look pretty good.
They look to die for.
Good night. Happy Vlogmas Day 23. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Yummy. Okay, good night. Were they good though?